to my channel. Today I really wanted to see if I could create a really bomb Thanksgiving look using this month's Boxycharm. And spoiler, we created an awesome look. So I'm going to be using my Boxycharm today and some other products, and I'm just creating a beautiful Thanksgiving look that I feel like you can wear and rock and just look so bomb and gorgeous in. So I hope you really like how this whole look turned out. It's very, very easy and simple to do. Anyone can do this. It is so easy to do. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. If you like beauty videos, then you're in the right place because I upload every single Wednesday and Friday, and that's all I do here, beauty. So make sure you're subscribed. Also, if you love Boxycharm Get Ready With Me videos or tutorials where I incorporate some of the Boxycharm products, make sure you smash that like button so that I can know that you like that, and I'll continue to do it. So yeah, this is the look I created. I hope you guys like it, and let's just get started. So the only thing I have on right now is the brows. So let's just get into my Boxycharm, shall we? So the first thing in here is this. So this is the Helios Earth Harbor Anti-Pollution Youth Ampholy. Let's just read what this says. So this costs $48. It's named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun. Okay, it's a youth preserving it's a youth preserving serum that's supposed to smooth fine lines and wrinkles. So we're gonna put this on first because I kind of went halfway through my skincare. Wow, I'm really excited to try this out. I love serums. So we're gonna drop this on our face. It's supposed to smooth fine lines. Ooh, ooh, that smells good. It's nice. It's nice, it feels light, it doesn't feel heavy at all. Next, I'm going to put on my e.l.f. Super Hydrating moisturizer so I can be ready to do some makeup. In the box is this little thing. It's a lip enhancer. I think this is from JOUER Cosmetics. Infused with good for you clean ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth silk formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Retails for $17. So let's open this baby up. Oh, my lips have been absolutely horrid lately. So look at that. Feels nice. I really like that. Okay, so let's get into this thing right here. I am so excited about the Natasha Denona Peak palette. I am so excited that this came in the box. This retails, guys, for $48, and it's coming in the box. And this is really, really nice. Natasha Denona, really nice brand. Boxycharm, you guys, is a great Christmas gift. Just get one, you know, and that's just great because they get to 5 different products for a really inexpensive price. You can't go to the store and pick 5 different nice products for that price. So I'm just saying that. The first thing I'm going to get into is this color right here. I'm going to put that right underneath the brow and kind of all over with like just a big fat brush. Okay, I'm going to get into this color right here, and I'm putting this in the transition into the crease. We're going to do that. I'm being very light with this because these palettes are pigmented, so I'm being very careful. You don't want to just go ham, and the brush I'm using is very, very fluffy, and I'm just really trying to do swiper motions and really blend, not stay in one spot too long. I think what I'm going to do, and I know this sounds a little crazy, but I'm going to put this color and then I'll put a tiny bit of this on top of the lid. So I know it's a bright orange, but I'm going to put that all over the lid first, lightly, with the same blending brush. I'm not going to get like an eyeshadow brush. I'm just staying with a blending brush, and I'm putting that all over the lid. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna get in a little bit into this brown and put that just on the lid to make it not so bright. Just a tiny bit all the way on the lid, just kind of blend it on the lid back and forth, just lightly. I mean, you see the difference here. So now we have this shimmer, and I'm just going to use my finger and I'm going to put it right on top. I've just not done the shades underneath and just got in with the shimmer and done like something really light and beautiful, but I wanted something that looked a little bit more glam. Okay, so that looks really nice. The next thing in the box is this Bodyography Eye Pencil. It's a 2-pack, and this one retails for $16. It's coconut oil infused, so it should glide on effortlessly. Okay, so I got black, which is onyx, and I got black walnut, which is a dark, dark brown. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try this dark, dark brown. Yeah, I like the dark, dark brown, so I'm going to put that basically everywhere. For being one of those pencils that you sharpen, this is actually really pigmented and super soft. I'm impressed. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, I'm also going to smudge that here. Wow, look how like easy that comes on. I'm barely touching my eye. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm just going to use my KOKO 9 to 5 lashes. I'm going to just put those on. Okay, so there we go with the lashes. Beautiful, simple Thanksgiving look that's very, very wearable. That looks super, super cute, very pumpkin-y. I love it. I love how it looks so far. You can even do winged eyeliner if that's your thing. So the last thing is the, what is this? The INT Cosmetics Lip Oil. Hydrate and moisture, but with a flush of color. I have this red color, so I'll put it on. I still have some of the other one on. Ooh. Okay, I put way too much on. I actually really like this. It is like a soft hint of pink, but it feels really nice. Ooh, I like this. I actually think I'm gonna wear this a ton, like on no makeup days, which is practically every day in my life. Okay, so I'm going to do the Glowy Makeup Serum from LANEIGE. This is the primer I'm going to use. I have not tried this with the NARS foundation yet, so we're going to see how it works together, but I really love this primer. Now for NARS and Stromboli. I have a whole review. I'll link it up in an iCard. It is so good, guys. Ooh, I need to get my... Hold on a second. Okay, so I have my sponge now. We can put this on. So I'm going to drop some there. I like to slowly build it because it can be, like it has some pretty good coverage. Okay, concealer. I'm going to go in with my Hourglass concealer, because I haven't used this in a while and I do love it, so I'm gonna get into that. Okay, so now that I've concealed, I'm going to set everything with, of course, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. I love this stuff. I'm seriously gonna just go all the way through it, which is a little bit odd because I've never really done that before with any of these loose powders. Lately, guys, I've been loving this. So this is the Revollution Glow in Light. It's so dark. It has a bit of almost like a purpley tint. There's something about this contour mixed with this bronzer together that I just love. So I'm gonna barely dip my brush into that and apply it just where I would contour. there. And then I'm getting into the e.l.f. Primer Bronzer in Perpetually Tan. Primer Infused Bronzer. Same brush. I'm just putting that all over and bronzing with it. But look, that just together, I don't know, it's just the perfect mix, like with the Perpetually Blonde on the Perpetually Tan on top. Oh my word, it is so nice. Oh, this Rare Beauty blush in Love, like a tiny bit of that would be so cute to go with the eyes. So I'm putting a tiny bit like this on my hand, and I'm getting into this little stippling brush. And I'm just going to go in circular motions on my face. A tiny bit goes a long ways. Look at how pretty that is when it's very, very soft. I'm going to do a gold highlight to go with the eyes. This is the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter. I'm not sure which, in the shade Dew. Look at that. So I'm going to barely dip my finger in there. Wow. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to put it on with my finger. And just really blend it in. Grab some and blend it in. Yeah, that looks really pretty. I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty spray. Smells good. I have the Nikki Tutorials palette with me. I'm just going to find something bright to go in the inner corner. And I think I'm going to go with this baby right here, my favorite shade in this palette. So I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Cute. And on to the lower lashes. So for the lower lashes, I'm going to smudge a bunch of this color, and then I'm going to go on top with this brown. Okay, I'm going to get into this. This is the Ace Beaute Be Peachy Lip Liner. I got this in the last Boxycharm box, so if you got the last Boxycharm box, you have this. It is so good. I'm going to line my lips with it. These are so creamy. It literally feels like a lipstick on because it's so creamy. Okay, I'm going to try putting just a little bit of this oil on top, and we're going to call it a day. Oh, yeah. Ooh, this looks nice. I would definitely rock this for Thanksgiving. So beautiful. Mostly Boxycharm products from this month and some from last month. So beautiful. I love how this look turned out. I think it looks super gorgeous and it's very, very wearable. Even if you're someone that shies away from like peachy oranges, try this look. If you have the Boxycharm, try it. It is really beautiful and stunning, and sometimes you'll be surprised on what actually looks amazing on you. Reach out of your comfort zone and just rock it and be confident. And sometimes we're harsher on we're always harsher on ourselves than other people. Other people look at us and they're like, wow, she's gorgeous. I love her eye makeup. And when we look in the mirror, we're just looking at every single flaw. Wow, orange looks weird on me. And sometimes that's just not the reality. Sometimes we're just too harsh with ourselves. So I hope you guys will try this look. If you do, make sure to tag me on Instagram. It's Bondbeautyful. I would love to see how you guys look, or just your Thanksgiving look, what you guys come up with. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, you guys. Stay safe. I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.